Hello guys, today I've got the Samsung Galaxy A37 and I'm going to show you how to fix the application crashes and force closing in your device. So at first here, what I do recommend doing at first is to recognize the symptoms. If app opens and immediately closes, this is a problem. App freezes then shuts down, this is a problem. App isn't responding message, this is a problem, and only certain apps crashing, this is always a problem, of course. At first, always first, restart your phone. Hold the power and volume down. Restart. It clears the temporary system glitches and fixes a surprising number of crashes instantly. So now I think that I can skip this process for you, so as you can see, I caught this for you. So number 2 fix, which is the top and most effective. Open the settings. I mean, you don't need to open the settings, but find your application over here, which is easier. Find your application on the up drawer and hold a finger on it. Here, tap this info icon. And now here, scroll down to the storage. As you can see here, they have 49 GB of data, which I don't want to clear because it's for my gaming benchmarks, but select here this application and here you can tap clear cache. Or the optional, as you can see, it's here the clear data, but if you see that you have a lot, for example, you have in your TikTok draft some videos, don't tap this because it will clear all your videos, so you know. But why it works? It removes corrupted temporary files and keeps your data safe if you tap here clear cache. And as I said, you can clear up data, which is the stronger fix, because if crashing continues, you can here tap clear data. It resets your applications like it was brand new, and you may need to log in to the app again. Apart from that, you need to check if your application have any updates. Both, it can be here in the Play Store or Galaxy Store. And if you have any updates, you need to update it, because updated applications equals crashes after the system updates. I mean before system updates. It crashes before, and after system updates it will be, fixed. Apart from that, you can try to update your phone's software. So here, open the settings. Now here, scroll down till you see here the software update. Check for updates, and if you have any updates, update your phone. New Android or One UI versions often break old application versions until updated. Next thing which you have in the queue is insert in the device care, place actually, and here storage. Free up storage space. If storage is low, applications may crash randomly. So delete videos, unused applications, large files, etc. You need to keep at least 5 to 10 GB free. Check for problem applications. So some applications conflict with your applications. So just try to uninstall it. Some applications like that are some cleaners, so battery optimizers, etc. Uninstall them and check if your applications work. If they are, that's nice. Just get rid of this file, useless applications. Number, I think 7. Disable the battery restrictions. Open the settings. And here go to the battery. Here background usage limits. Tap it. And now here disable put unused applications to sleep. And moreover, apart from that, but I need to find this. Here tap adaptive battery. Disable. This should be good for you. Apart from that, check internet issues for online applications, because if only social media applications crash, switch Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa, and restart your router. And as a final last resort, you can reinstall the application or contact device support to have your device fixed. And as a last resort before, of course, returning your device to factory reset it. That's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.